Let's push this cable. All right. Power! Yo! Yo, what's up guys? Today's beautiful day here in Sanur. So hot but little bit windy, which is actually quite nice to walk and make a vlog, like always actually. Today will be a little bit different because at the same time when I'm gonna making this vlog, I will make a live stream from Sanur, Bali for 2, maybe 3 hours, or at least my battery will die at the phone. So if you watch it, this vlog that's actually after the live stream, you will see what I saw at this time. This live stream is of course a little bit different than the proper vlog. However, I hope so you will enjoy both. At least some of you will see the live stream, not all of you for sure. And today I will talk about how's the current situation, current condition, situation now, today in Sanur. A little bit on the beach, a little bit on the street. Maybe I will have a taxi or a grab driver to pick me up. We will see what the day gonna brings me. And also I will talk a little bit about the crisis, current crisis, economical crisis in Sanur and Bali actually, because for sure it's kind of economical crisis. Like elsewhere around the world, not only in Bali, however. Well, I'm in Bali, you are interested about Bali, so we will talk about Bali, right?
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind. No way I can fix it.
I'm making the vlog and I'm making the live stream, as you see guys. Very new experience, good crack. Everybody who watching us will be on the vlog. And behind me, oh, I don't know how to face the camera now, is the kite surfing people having good crack. So that's how it is. It's very hot, as always. Yo, what's up, guys?
What's up? What's up?
Yo!
What damn YouTube?
YouTube. YouTube and live stream actually in both hands. Behind me is the La Playa, famous La Playa, very nice place in Sanur. Few people around. Here is some people also. I'm making vlogs for tomorrow, guys. Basically I'm making a daily vlog and live, but the problem with connection is so bad. This is how it looks in Sanur next to the Hyatt. Basically I was trying to make a vlog while making the live stream from Sanur beach. However, it's not working. Actually, it's maybe not difficult to carry the camera in one hand and the mobile phone the second hand. However, it's difficult with the internet connections all the time. Was disconnected, and for sure for the other side, for you guys, was quite difficult to watch it. Bad quality. That's maybe because of the beach side. I will try to continue my vlog as normal. And then I will try to make a few shots from the street, maybe live stream also from the street today. And now I'm just next to the Hyatt. Yeah, it's a very nice vibe, like always, but it's not so much is happening, right?
But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours.
behind me, La Playa. Quite busy over there. There are some jet skis. Here is the new bar, Seagrass, however, doesn't survive the crisis currently and is closed. It's maybe not bankruptcy, but it's closed. Used to be a new place, just opened a few months before the scrap start.
You'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay?
Guys, I was on the beach before, now I'm in the next to Artoter Beach Club on the main street in Sanur, and as you can see it's closed. I just finished the live stream. I'm so sweaty now and so tired, actually I need to grab the drink. About 300 people watched all together my live stream. I heard loads of positive opinions and that's great idea. So if you watch this, if you missed this, let me know what do you think. I'm planning now to making the live streams at least once a week. I'm not sure yet which day and what time, however time will be probably starting around 3 or 4 p.m. Bali time. But that's still to discuss. Comment below what do you think, guys, and which area would you like to see next. Probably Kuta or Ubud, because Kuta, Ubud, Sanur, that's the 3 most famous areas. Let me know what do you think, guys. And now let's continue my vlog today, because actually I used to plan to walk doing the live stream holding one hand camera and then making a vlog, but it's quite difficult to focus and handle all this gear together, and I also brings quite lots of attention. However, maybe next time with Winny I will do like this. And yeah, that's how it looks in Sanur. It's 5:30 p.m. It's gonna be sunset soon. This is actually Sanur afternoon during the crisis.
You'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Or won't you stay?
Push this cable! Alright! Let's go! Making the live stream, and was the fellas here, the electricians with the cable. They asked me to help. I will help them. I hope that the electric shock not gonna kill me. It's good crack. The cable is actually over here. Well, everybody are very friendly here and happy like always. So it's actually quite many places are closed in Sanur, like elsewhere. Sate babi!
Sate babi!
Oh, enak sekali ya! Sate babi, which is the shashlik from the pork, if you don't know. However, mostly people who are watching us, they are familiar with Bali, so... But you never know, sometimes some new people. Swiss Bear Resort, it's closed. Used to be previously closed till end of September of October 2020, and now it's closed till January 2021. And there is the Sala restaurant. Actually, I used to edit video today, what you're gonna see, you saw yesterday, and it's closed now. I don't know why.
Won't you stay?
La Cava Hotel, something like this is called. This one, it's closed, and Pepito next door is still open. I like now in Bali is like many companies said, yes, we are still open. It's not we are open or closed, but they calling like signs, yes, we are still open. Very funny. Well, but that's good actually, as they are still open. And this is the bread basket. It's open, very nice place to have a coffee and croissant, and it's still open.
Time races on, but I guess that we're not. A special bond, we came closer than we forgot. Yeah, we forgot. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Cafe Smorgas behind me. It's open. Actually, it was never closed during this crap. However, it's not so busy over there. Hello. Yeah, and that's how it looks. I got really little bit sweat and hot doing the live stream and generally walking in summer. It's so hot. Some of you guys asking me for the weather. It's super hot and blue sky. Well, this is actually already set up for autofocus on my face, so it will be white sky, but it's generally blue sky. Yeah, it's very hot in Bali. Bali is hot. I'm thinking about new transportation way while I'm gonna making my vlogs and potential future the live streams, but that's still secret. I'm still thinking how to figure out money for that. However, whenever I'm gonna get this, and actually where to get this, because in Indonesia quite difficult. However, I will make it, I will show you in the near future, maybe next month. I think that will be cool stuff. My vlog's gonna be more interesting and more dynamic in the future, so subscribe now. Anyway, they are still all the time nice. I hope so.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line.
This is Hardy's shop. Actually, it's called Arta Sedana. It's no more Hardy's, but this is inside is the same. Everything is the same, just different brand, so it's not so bad. When I used to make a live stream, if you watched, you people thinking as it's closed because it's so quiet, so empty there. However, it's not closed, never used to be closed. It's just empty. Oh, super quiet. Some people just there. but this restaurant, it's closed. Unfortunately, couldn't survive the current crisis in Bali. So sad.
But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Just past Bali Sanur area, as you see, and here is the also very small cozy place, but I forgot the name. However, it's closed. Yeah, that's how it looks. Daily life in Sanur, basically. Yeah, like a few videos ago, well, actually that was about a month ago, I used to vlog in the city, night market at night, and some people said it's Bali's bankruptcy. Previously I making the video on the beach side and it was so empty. Now it's the city side at daytime, and this is how it is. Maybe I don't want to say any more about bankruptcy, however, about crisis and this stuff, how it looks. However, it's everywhere around the world, not only in Bali, but this is the current condition situation, how it looks in Bali.
This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Alright, so behind me is all on the ball, very nice restaurant, however is closed already for few months due to the kitchen refurbishment. However, as I saw and been in the restaurant New Shotgun few weeks ago with Winny, they are just probably closed because focus on the bigger one, and Sol on the Beach is still open. Yeah, something like that. Over here long time ago was the Bali Buddha shop, but it's closed already for I think nearly 1 year. It's actually for sure it's closed before anything bad happened, and that's how it looks Sanur Bali during the crisis, right? During the current condition. Sanur today, Sanur now, however you interpret that. I think that will be enough for today's vlog, guys. I hope so you enjoyed also the live stream. Let me know, comments below once again, what do you think about video, about the current situation, about the live stream idea. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, stuff like this, very important. Help us to growing the channel and the community. Sorry if it's too much my face, but this is vlog. This is like no documentary like National Geographic or something like that. So I just want to make a connection with you guys. more like a personal than just the video. I hope so you enjoy and appreciate. Like always. Yo, what's up? It's just passing Trattoria restaurant. Oh, like always, something new at 7 p.m. Bali time. Today, tomorrow, every single day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.